So this is going to be a short video to explain actually how to fill out the pathway check form if you're having trouble. And so my first suggestion to you is go through each pathway and determine which classes you've taken and where they fit. Okay, you will be surprised which pathways you have completed. So this person has completed the humanities pathway. We know that because they highlighted the yellow name of the pathway. And then in the foundations credit, for 1 credit, they did write 1 credit, which helps to see. Okay. They completed that in World Language Level 3. Sometimes you will earn more credits than what is needed for the foundation. If that's the case, they are always allowed in the supporting section. This person is an example of having done that. So we can see under supporting, they highlighted yellow, showing that they have other foundation classes beyond that 1 credit for World Language Level 3. This particular student, if you look on the bottom here, took AP US History for 1 credit, and they also took Yearbook for 1 credit. And then we could also look, they took EPC, 4 credit on their transcript for zero point 0.5. So if we do the math here, they actually completed 3.5 credits in this pathway. If you earned more than the 3 credits in the pathway, it doesn't hurt to show those additional classes in the case that one of your classes does not actually work in the verification process. Keep in mind, every ALT member will be looking at your transcript and making sure that you have passed those classes, and those are our classes listed on your transcript. Okay, so let's look at the PA pathway. In this pathway, this person was part of the orchestra, so they're using a 1 credit for foundations. Then under supporting, they're using another credit for orchestra, and they also are using 0.5 credits for public speaking, and they were short 0.5 credits. And so they got that other 0.5 credits through the exception form. And so in the exception form, what they did, they filled this out, and what they showed is that they wanted the exception for the PA pathway. They wanted to substitute Intro to Theater at 0.5 credits. They feel like they had experience with a learning equivalent. And their reasoning was that they were part of the chorus for the play and musical every year, and they weren't able to fit a theater class into their schedule. This person also came and had a discussion with me during the pathway verification process, where I said that was a completely good reason to fill out the exception form, and that most likely they would earn that 0.5 credit. Okay, this person has also completed the GSI pathway. So highlighted in yellow here on the top. There's a World Language Level 2 class for 1 credit. Clearly they would have earned that if they had completed World Language Level 3. For supporting, they had any AP Social Studies course. So that would be in that Social Studies section of the course catalog. And they took, again, AP US History. Here we have Yearbook and also Stagecraft for 0.5, which would be a class that's under any theater class. And then here is the Senate EPC credit and World Language Level 3. Notice the note that for the GSI pathway, they can only use 2 of the 3 credits for a world language. Now over here, we have the HHS Academy, the HUS pathway. And this person completed it by completing a Warren Tech program. And so they went ahead and made that obvious that they should earn the Human Services pathway by completing that program. And then another example is the Engineering and Technology pathway. So they got 2 credits within any computer science class and any engineering and robotics class. That's listed below. They took Intro to Computer Science for 0.5 credits, Robotics for 0.5 credits, and AP Computer Science Principles for 1 credit. So this could be a mix of semester classes or year-long classes. And then for their supporting credit, they took Physics, right, which should have been highlighted in yellow. They made a mistake. Make sure you highlight all sections that you complete in yellow, and that is a 1.0 credit class, and that would give them the 3 credits needed for this pathway.